Hi, welcome to Portal 7. Today we're diving into something brand new, the launch of HappyHorse 1.0. I'll be breaking down what's inside, how it performs, and whether it lives up to the hype. In this video we'll explore its features, test its performance here on JXP.com, which also hosts multiple cutting-edge AI models for both video and image generation. Except HappyHorse 1.0, JXP.com has other popular AI models too for video creation such as C-Dance, Vow, Sora 2, Wan, Kling, and many more. For image creation it has C-Dream, Nano Banana, Krona Edit, and GPT Image, etc. For AI lip sync it has Infinite Talk AI. In this video our focus is HappyHorse. Let's get started and see what's new. Click on HappyHorse. On dashboard you can see with HappyHorse you can make text to video, image to video, reference to video, and you can even edit videos. Let's try these one by one. First click on text. In prompt box type your prompt. I have made a prompt in ChatGPT. I will copy-paste it in prompt box. Now set resolution. I will set it 1080p. Aspect ratio I will set 16:9. You can set different as your needs. It supports duration up to 15 seconds. I will set it 12 seconds. Now click on Generate Video. Within few minutes your video will be ready. Click on Download. You can share it on X, Facebook, or WhatsApp too from here. And here is result. Underwater environment looks very realistic and amazing quality. Now click on Image. Here I will upload an image. Now type your prompt. Resolution and duration I will keep same as last video. Now click on Generate Video. Within few minutes your video will be ready. Click on Download. And here is result. According to prompt, result is amazing, well detailed and sharp quality in nighttime. Now click on Reference. Here you can upload up to 9 reference images. I am adding 1 girl image, 1 dress image, and 1 cold drink cane image. Here my prompt is to make a short clip. In that girl is drinking cold drink from attached image 3 and dress from attached image 1. Resolution I will set 1080p, aspect ratio 16:9. Duration 12 seconds. Now click on Generate Video. Within few minutes your video will be ready. Click on Download. And here is result. It worked very well, looking like a professional ad. Now click on Video Edit. Here you can add video up to 60 seconds and below 100 MB. I will add a video here. In this video I will try to change fairy with another fairy. In reference I will add another fairy image. Audio setting I will set origin. It will keep same audio with no change. Now paste simple prompt to just replace fairy only with attached image fairy. Here resolution I will set 720 pixel because attached video is in low resolution. Now click on Generate Video. Within few minutes your video will be ready. Click on Download. And here is result. Let's take one more example here. This time I am attaching a vertical video. Now click on Generate Video. Within few minutes your video will be ready. Click on Download. And here is result. You can compare both input and output video. It applied all moves beautifully on reference image. Now click on Profile to access all your creations. Here you can download your earlier creations easily. You can check creation details such as time, prompt, attached media, etc. Click on Pricing to explore the available plans. Every plan comes with a 7-day refund policy and 24/7 customer support. On the pricing page, you'll notice the rates are lower compared to other platforms. You can easily compare plans side by side and choose the one that fits your needs best. The direct link is provided in the video description and pinned comment. Click on description link to boost your creativity with HappyHorse 1.0. To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.